Hi, I will be explaining how to solve this problem using Riemann Sum. The first thing we need to do is find delta x. Delta x formula is delta x equals to b minus a divided by n. In this case, our b is 4 and our a is 1. 4 minus 1 divided by n is equals to 3 over n. Then we need to find xi. The formula of xi is a plus I times delta x. Xi is equals to 1 plus I times 3 over n. And then we have to find fxi, which is equals to 1 plus 3 over ni squared minus 4 times 1 plus 3 over ni plus 2. And then we expand and solve this to get 9 over n squared I squared minus 6 over ni minus 1. Now, to solve this problem, we have to use limit law, which equals to limit n approaches to infinity, the summation of I equals to 1 to n, fxi and delta x. Now we have to substitute fxi and delta x into the problems. And then we get limit n approaches infinity, the summation of I equals to 1 to n 27 over 27 I squared divided by n cubed minus 18i over n squared minus 3 over n. Now we have to bring out 27 over n cubed out of the summation of I because the constant n does not depend. The summation of I does not depend on n. And then we get this. Now we substitute the sum law into the problem to get limit n approaches infinity 27 over n cubed times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus limit n approaches infinity 18 over n squared times n plus 1 divided by 2 minus limit n approaches infinity 3 over n times n. Now we expand and solve the problem to get limit n approaches infinity 18 plus 27 over n plus 9 over n squared divided by 2 minus 9 plus 9 over n minus 3. And now we solve the limit. We bring limit into the n and we get 9 minus 9 minus 3, and the answer is negative 3.